Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, move quickly, move quickly. The cake is trying to float. The cake is trying to float. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool! Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing something that I have seen trend all over YouTube and it was so cool. We are going to be hydro dipping. That's right, I got your request to hydro dip baked goods because you know we're foodies over here, so we're not gonna be hydro dipping cool hoodies or t-shirts or shoes, which is all the videos that I've been seeing online. And if you're not familiar with hydro dipping, it's basically a big tub of water and you take spray paint, specifically it's acrylic paint, you spray into the water and you dip t-shirts, shoes. I've even seen people dip foods like bananas and things. So we are doing two science experiments today. The first one is going to be a classic hydro dip with the spray paint, and the second one is going to be, get this, totally edible. That's right, edible hydro dipping. I have never seen this anywhere done before. The only times food was hydro dipped, it was in paint. So we are gonna do that first, but second, we're gonna be using these bad boys over here, which are colored coconut oil. That's right, I'm gonna get a new tub, fill it with water, put in the different colors of coconut oil, and dip the same baked goods. And we're gonna look at them side by side and see what they look like when they're traditionally hydro dipped, non-edible, and when they're dipped with edible dye. I can't wait, I am so excited. Today, I feel like a hybrid of like Martha Stewart meets Bill Nye the Science Guy. Anyways, I'm so excited for this. If you like baking and you like science, give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, because this year, we are going to be having fun with food. So now, the first test that we're gonna do is hydro dipping baked goods using the classic spray paint. I don't wanna do this inside. I brought this tub up here and then I went, wait a minute. So I'm actually gonna take this outside and we'll dip those outside. Okay, so, oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Mike and Molly, can you help me? I've got everything outside now and I found a little scrunchie and some gloves to hopefully protect my hands from the paint, but I'm gonna come down here. I've got my little tub of water, some stuff to put my baked goods on after I dip them, and the acrylic spray paint. Remember, warning, woo, 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 code red. This first test that we're doing is not edible. This is with paint, spray paint. So do not eat this first test. The second test will be edible. Okay, so you know a girl means business when she brings a hair tie. So I'm gonna work pretty quickly because I don't want the paint too dry. So I brought out the cupcakes and some cake pops. So I'm gonna start with the paint. I'm just gonna pick a few colors. Oh my gosh, this has been a while. I feel like Lord DIY today. You are my inspo girl. I'm so excited. Here we go. Oh my gosh, she would not be proud. Oh my, I think you're supposed to shake these first. Oh my, look at that. Oh geez, we've already gotten paint on me. Here we go. Woo! Is that what it's supposed to look like? Okay, now I've got a little blue. Woo! Oh, this looks awesome. Let's do some yellow. I've got a little stick here. Gonna swirl. Oh, it's already dried. I'm first gonna dip a cake pop. So they said you just put it in, totally cover it, and then get rid of the paint around it. Get out of there, get out of there. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Oh no, this looks terrible.
I would not want to eat that.
No, well, you can't eat these. These are not edible, nor would I want to. Okay, let's try to dip another one. We'll go into the pink and green. Maybe I didn't do this fast enough. Ew! Look at this, Mike, it's terrible.
It's sticking to it at least.
Ew. Oh, more solid. Still gross, but
Getting better.
Better. Practice makes mediocre in this case. Oh, it's too dry. It's too dry. You gotta work really fast. Oh my gosh. Doesn't this just look like a sad planet?
Ro, which one's your favorite one?
This one's my favorite, but they're all terrible. Next up is cupcakes. Got a little orange. Whoa! Let's try it. Here we go. Here we go. We'll go right away. Gotta go fast. And we go boom, in. Yeah, and then get all the paint, get away, go away, go, dang it, move away. Wow, I mean, it kind of worked. I'm really new to this, so there's a lot of user error, but let's do a little yellow. Why not? The blue color is really showing up. I really enjoy it. All right, and then get away. Whoa, look at that. That looks like a swirl.
You're officially a pro now.
This is so cool. So I've been practicing a little bit, and now I think I am totally not ready, but ready to hydro dip a cake.
What do you think's gonna happen?
I have not a clue because I'm gonna submerge the whole thing into water. I've never done that to a cake in general, much less a hydro dip cake. So the cake that I'm gonna dip is gonna be frozen, and I'm hoping that that will help the cake stay together, resist against the water for as long as it can, and allow a quick dip. We're going for a quick dip. This is like a polar bear. Dip in and run out. That's the philosophy here. Polar bear dip. So again, this is a vanilla cake that I've iced and froze, and then I've just placed it on top of, I think this was my turkey basting tray, actually. So this is ruined. Gonna have to get a new one of these. But you know what? It's okay because this is for science. All right, so I'm gonna set this cake right here, and again, I'm gonna work pretty quickly because I don't want my frozen cake to thaw in any way. I'm gonna get all the paint in there and then dip that sucker. Here we go. Oh, Mike, I'm so nervous. Are you ready for the double dip?
I'm so ready.
Here goes. 1, 2, 3, dip. Go, 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 go. We're gonna hydro dip. We're going down. We're going down. Oh my God, it's floating. No. Go down, cake. Go down. I have to push it under. I'm pushing it up. Oh no, it's getting my hands. Son of a biscuit. This is not.
Yummy. You got some little things attached to you there as well.
Oh my gosh. But it looks cool. What a cool design. I'm gonna put it over here. You can take a look, Mike. It's kind of cool. I'm gonna let our hydro dip baked goods dry, and I'm gonna get the new bucket, and I'm gonna go get the edible colors, and now we're gonna hydro dip real edible treats. Time for our second test. This is a new tub. I have fresh water, and instead of paint, over here I have edible food coloring mixed with coconut oil. And an important note, if you're gonna try this at home, you don't wanna use regular food coloring dye, the liquid based. You want to use the oil based. Fun food fact, you also use oil based food coloring when you're dyeing chocolate. It works really well because oil and water like to separate. So like the paint, it will hang out on the top. If you use regular food coloring, even mixed with coconut oil, it will mix together. And then basically this is a tie-dye project, which is also fun. Edible tie-dye. What? That would be fun, but not the look that we're going for today. All right, we've got our food coloring and coconut oil. Let's do this. Oh my gosh! Oh, that's so cool. Okay, you want to pour it in slow, but if you pour it in fast, it kind of looks like a lava lamp. Look at that. Oh, what edible lava lamp. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. All right, we've got a little yellow, and then I'm gonna do blue. I'm gonna try to recreate our last project. They're all these little balls, but then it will mix together. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, and I've got these cake pops. I just took them out of the fridge. They're just vanilla cake pops, and now I'm gonna go for it. Here it goes. Dip. Oh, and I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go. Okay. Colors aren't as strong, but that looks like a beautiful pastel ombre cake pop. Let's try some more. That was really, whoa, that is so cool. Let me try a little green and pink over here. Lava lamp. Wow, look at this. Whoa, Mike, doesn't that look like a lava lamp?
It does.
Did you ever have a lava lamp?
I did.
You did? Oh, shoot. Okay, here we go. Here's another one. All right, we're gonna go between the green and the pink. Okay, dip. Oh, shoot. Can you double dip? Can you double dip a hydro dip? Maybe not. Let's just grab another one. I don't know the rules. I don't hydro dip every day. Mike, look how cool that looks.
Yeah, those are awesome.
Looks like a watermelon.
Doesn't it? It kind of looks marbled. You know what I'm also noticing? As the colors harden and dry, they're darkening. So they're kind of lighter and pastel, and then as they're sitting here, they're actually getting more vibrant. I love this. No way, edible hydro dipping. I think we've just invented a new trend, you guys. Oh, we need more colors. We just really, what else do we have here? We have an orange. Oh yeah. Let's put the orange over here. Also with oil-based food coloring, the colors stay more separate than they would any other way. Otherwise, they would just blend together. And when you blend a lot of food colors together, you know, you get like a deep brown. Oh, this is gonna be my favorite, really, pink and orange. Are we kidding? Are we kidding? Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. Please don't judge my cake pops. Not all of them are perfectly round, okay? We just made these for funsies. I am glad that we tried the classic hydro dipping, but I'm having way more fun doing this. This is less messy. There's not a lot of paint fumes everywhere, and it's so beautiful, and we can eat it. Oh, I'm getting all the colors. Mike, there's pink, there's blue, there's yellow. I'm even trying to get some green here. Oh, what? This is like a rainbow. Michael, gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this is it. This is my favorite. Winner chicken dinner. So the cake pops worked really well, so now I'm gonna try cupcakes. And again, I've put these in the freezer so that hopefully they would stay together in a little bit of water. All right, here we go. We're gonna edible hydro dip a cupcake. What? Here we go. Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh, I don't know where to go. Just anywhere? In and out. Okay. Oh, looks a little clear. Looks a little weird. But just like the cake pops, let's let it dry. Let's let it set. Maybe those colors will become more vibrant as they dry, which, thank you, coconut oil. That's what the coconut oil does.
Yeah, your cake pops are so vibrant.
I know, look at them after they've dried. So much color. I think I dipped this cupcake a little too far in. I think I just want to dip the frosting, the icing, because it got a little soggy here. Look at Mike. He's looking a little soggy. So let's try to just dip the icing. I got too excited. I went too far. Okay, we're gonna reel it in right here. We got our cupcake, and I'm just gonna try to dip the icing. Here we go. Whoa. This is like a science. This is just, don't do too much, Ro. Oh, let the excess drip off. That's another tip. Drip off. Mike!
That's looking better.
That's better. I just need a little practice. We just made a hydro-dipped cupcake. Edible hydro-dipped cupcake.
I want to see pink and blue on one.
You want pink and blue?
Yeah.
Okay, Molly, we'll get you a pink and blue. Now this is for your sister. If you love your sister, you gotta make her happy.
Yeah.
So Molly's like, yeah. Putting a lot of pink, a lot of blue. I'm letting them hang out together. I used maybe too much, that's okay. Got a little excited. Oh, this is gonna be great. I can feel it. Here you go, Ray Molly.
Yeah.
This one is for my sister Mo. And out. Okay, I'm gonna let drip over here because we are literally dipping frosting in water. Molly, that looks so good.
Love it.
Okay, I'm gonna do one more because this was so fun. What if we did green and yellow?
Go Ducks.
Did you just say go Ducks? Molly and those Oregon Ducks. Let me tell you. Oh my gosh. Molly, tell your hubby not to be mad at me if I get any pink in there. I'm really trying to just get the green and the yellow. Oh, we tried. This is an attempt. It touched the cupcake a bit. We'll just let it sit. It will get better. It will get better. Go Ducks. Okay. All right, I'm feeling pretty confident. I'm ready to edible hydro dip a full cake. A lot of the colors in here have swirled together a bit, but I am going to cover the entire top with color because it's quite a large cake. Before I had little sections of color for like the cake pops or the cupcakes, but I don't really know when I dip the cake where the colors are gonna sit. So I wanna make sure I'm not gonna miss any areas. And maybe the color is gonna be more defined if there's more oil, so I'm using a ton. And if this is where I go wrong, then this is completely my fault. I really wanted to see what this would look like. Here is the second vanilla cake that I made, and again, I iced it with a buttercream and I popped it in the freezer. I'm not dipping it in paint. It's only coconut oil and a little dye, so maybe it will be good for my skin. I'm just gonna dip it without a tray. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, move quickly, move quickly. The cake is trying to float. The cake is trying to float. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool! Mike, it's so cool.
That is awesome.
I can't even move. I'm gonna let it drip dry for just a minute, then I'm gonna put it over here on a baking sheet.
Can you rotate your hands at all? Can we get a little rotation?
You wanna see a rotation?
Let's see it.
I'll give you a rotation.
Wow. That is so cool.
That's really pretty.
Don't drop them in the water. I've never seen a cake that looks like that.
I'm so surprised. I'm really surprised.
You can see the color getting brighter too.
As it dries?
Yeah.
This is awesome. I'm gonna let this cake dry and harden for just a few minutes, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. All right, that does it for the video. We dipped so many things. We hydro dipped baked goods in paint. Ew, ooh, we'll go over this in a second. They're looking really funky. And I'm so excited, we edible hydro dipped baked goods and they turned out amazing. I had never seen someone do this before, and I couldn't be happier. I mean, look at this cake. It's incredible. They kind of look marbled. They're all beautiful. The cake pops are so cute. And these cupcakes, I can't even. This is adorable. This is a new decorating baking technique over here, edible hydro dipping. It's great. Regular hydro dipping, one, not edible, not great, and also looks like trash. Okay, let's look at these. This is not Photoshop, this is real. It just dry, oh, this is sad. They look terrible and they look toxic. Ew, bye. A big thank you to you guys for suggesting hydro dipping baked goods. And if you like watching baking videos, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Also, please let me know your ideas in the comments down below. And if you guys try edible hydro dipping at home, please let me know about it. I'm curious to see what else we could edible hydro dip. I'm gonna take a little bite because these are edible. It looks so pretty, I almost don't want to bite it, but I'm curious. The coconut is so light, you don't even really taste it. Oh, that's great. Okay, that can go with anything. I can go with any cake ball recipe. The coconut is so light. That is not gonna mess up any flavoring. I also wanna see this cake. I have a feeling that this cake is gonna crack, but I really wanna see on the inside, like, did the cake get soaked, Mike? Is it a soggy cake now? Or did the frosting protect it? Oh my gosh, it's cracking just like an ice cream cone. Like when you dip an ice cream cone in chocolate and it gets that shell, then you bite into it and it cracks. It's cracking right now. Oh wow, oh wow, we really froze that cake, Mike. That took a lot of arm muscle too. Oh yeah, that's arm day. That's arm day. Arm day at the gym. Okay, let's see. How is the cake looking? Are you a soggy cake? Are you a delicious cake? Let's see. Delicious cake. No soggy cake.
That looks edible to me.
Mike! No soggy cake. The frosting protected it. No soggy cake here. This is awesome. Thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here or up here.